Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Pixel Tamerz game crashing or not launching, not opening, keep stopping, lagging, freezing, black screen, or several other issues on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. The very first method, what you need to do is to check your internet connection. So the very first thing you have to check your internet connection, whether it's stable or not, or it's fluctuating. If it's fluctuating, you are suggested to keep a stable internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, you can move to mobile data or do vice versa. You can enable airplane mode for some time and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Pixel Tamerz game, and here you have to check if any update is available. If yes, update your game to the latest version and after that launch it and check if it's working. If not, you should force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info, click on force stop and then click on OK. After doing this, now launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, go to the app info of the game, click on storage, click on clear cache. After that, go back, launch the game and check if it's working. You should also check whether you have allowed some permissions or not. So after going to the game app info, go to the permissions tab and here make sure you have allowed all the app permissions that is required to play the game easily. And after that, try to log into the game and check if it's working. If you cannot launch the game or you still face the same issue, you can install a VPN. So for that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN. Lots of VPN apps will be available over here. So install any one of it and after installing it, log into it, change the location and after that launch the game and check if it's working. At the same time, you should also check whether your phone OS needs any kind of update. So for that, go to the settings, go below, click on system update. Here you will find if any update is available. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue continues again and again, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. Once you have uninstalled the game, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, again search for Pixel Tamerz game and finally click on the install option. And once you reinstall the game, now click on the play button or launch the game and check if it's working. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.